morning students. I hope you have seen video of today, the discontented fir tree. I hope you understood very nicely. The meaning of discontent means not happy, not satisfied. Okay, whatever you have to be happy in that. So we will discuss this chapter on Zoom also. Okay, now today I am going to give you the video on question answers. Okay, I will discuss you question answers and book exercises. You see the video, but don't do book exercises. I will send you pics. Through pics you can complete your book exercises, not through video. Okay, so on page 80 you have question answers. These question answers we will do in notebook also. I will send you the pic. Write complete answers to the following questions. What did the fir tree have? So answer is the fir tree had dark green needles like leaves. Leaves क्या थे? Like needle. Cactus you have seen. On cactus you have seen like some thorns are there. That is needles like leaves. The fir tree wished for 3 kinds of leaves. List them. Means you have to write all the 3 types of leaves he demanded. First, gold leaves. Second, glass leaves. Third, broad and smooth leaves. Okay. Now question number 3. Who granted the wishes of the fir tree? A wood fairy granted the wishes of the fir tree. What did the robber do? Robber means thieves. So what the robber do? The robber plucked all the golden leaves to earn money for his family. Question number 5. What did the strong and cruel wind do? आपने पोएम में रीड किया ना, this wind slowly move करती है. You feel air, then trees bow down their heads. But अगर strong और wind हो, that is called storm. है ना, बहुत strong wind हो तो हम उसको storm बोलते हैं. So what does the strong and cruel wind do? Due to the strong and cruel wind, all the sparkling glass leaves broke into small pieces. Because वो तो glass leaf था, बहुत hard था. And when the strong wind blows, all the leaves broke into small pieces. 6. What did the billy goats do? The billy goats ate up all the leaves of the fir tree. ठीक है? They were hungry. 7th, so broad and smooth leaves demanded. So it was liked by billy goat. They ate all the leaves. 7. What did the fir tree ask for finally? What finally fir tree demanded from the wood fairy? The fir tree asked to give back its green needles like leaves, and he will always be happy and contented. Okay, now he will not cry for small things. Okay, now vocabulary portion. So आपको read से something is written, something. So you have to find proper word from the lesson instead of writing something. You have to choose the word for that place. The wood fairy touched the fir tree with magic wand, not something. ठीक है? It is for you to search the word from the lesson. The sparkling glass leaves broke into pieces. The billy, on now page 81, the billy goat said something to the fir tree. The billy goat said, now we can give the sentence and I will ask you question, who said these words from the lesson. So you have to be very careful that this sentence was spoken by whom. You have to write the name. Suppose I will give you the sentence, we are very hungry, we will eat them all up. Who said these words? So your answer will be the billy goats. Okay, we can ask you anyway. 4th, finally the fir tree said to the wood fairy, I will never be something again. क्या नहीं होगा वो? Unhappy and discontent. ठीक है, अब आपको अपोजिट से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लाइक आई लाइक चॉकलेट्स. अब आपको लाइक का अपोजिट करना है, तो आई डिसलाइक चॉकलेट्स. समटाइम्स वी राइट DIS in front of the word and make the opposite of that word. Okay, see beautiful का ugly. So ऐसे हम कुछ वर्ड्स के आगे DIS लगा के उसको अपोजिट्स में चेंज कर देते हैं. So these exercises you have to do in your book only. Dishonest, displease, disagree, disobedient, disappear, dislike. ठीक है, ये ऐसे वर्ड्स है, you can change into opposite by adding DIS. Now according to this list of DIS words, now you have to do fill in the blanks. I am going to read the sentences for you. First, look, the moon is going to disappear. Second, the discontent fir tree. Okay, the word you have to choose from the list above. A disobedient child. Now turn your page to 82. Continued है, fill in the blanks. Fourth, Mr. Gill, your son is very rude. Mrs. Verma, no, I disagree. मतलब I will not agree with you. Fifth, Lolo tells lies and steals things. He is a dishonest person. Okay. Now leave the page 82. Nothing to be do. Now again, these are the sentences you have to change into negative. I am going. I am not going. By adding not, you can change the sentence into negative. Okay. Suppose first, Tommy saw a big brown cow. अब इसको you have to change into negative. Tommy didn't see a big brown cow. You have to use word didn't or did not to make it negative. So I will send you pic of these sentences. You have to add and change into negative. One example I have told you how to do. See, and now page number 84 से आपको नॉट लगा के नेगेटिव्स में चेंज करना है. वॉज है तो वॉज नॉट कर दो, वेयर है तो वेयर नॉट करके यू हैव टू चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. एंड को शॉर्ट आंसर से डिड सारा पैक द स्मॉल केक्स इन द बॉक्स. यस शी डिड. हम इतना सा बोल के भी आंसर कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द शॉर्ट आंसर्स, नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो यू कैन डू योर सेल्फ. ओके, try to frame short. Yes, she did. No, the little boy did not. Like this, you have to frame small answers on your own. So, I am sending you pics. Complete your book exercises. Notebook work also I will send you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow you do the book exercises. On Wednesday, no, now Friday. Okay, on Monday. On Monday I will send you notebook copy work. Tomorrow so you will do this book exercises. Okay, notebook work we will start from Monday. Till then read the lesson again, read the book exercises, learn the question answers. I will send you pic of book. Okay, till then have a nice day. Bye.